need a second. Please. I need 1 second. Okay. I feel much better. Today, guys, I'm gonna be talking about some hate comments. I just started my YouTube channel and I already have hate comments. People are saying that I'm ugly and it's hurting my feelings. Does this look like an ugly face to you? No, I'm sure it doesn't. I'm sure it doesn't. But today we're going to be opening up about my hate comments. Bear with me. But before we start, we're going to welcome a special guest who is he is well known for helping people open up forget it. I have a special guest. So we're going to welcome Spider-Man. Yes. Yes, we are all glad to have you here. And you're going to make this a very great experience and I'm going to open up, right? Yes. I quite like that. Huh? Say hi. There you go. Okay. You guys, it's been kind of difficult already. Dealing with dealing with people calling me ugly. And I just started YouTube. But yeah. So we're gonna be addressing the situation today. I'm gonna be showing you some of the hate comments, just one or two. I'm not gonna read them all because it's gonna make me sad, really sad. And ruff 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 ruff. Okay. I'm ready. We can do this together. By the way, if you guys are wondering, this is not my pink pillow. It's not mine. It's not mine. This is not my bed. Okay. I see you guys looking at my MacBook Pro. I see you. I see you. Stop watching my things because you know that you can't afford this. You know, and I know that you cannot afford this, so stop looking at my MacBook Pro. It's custom made. It cost $1,500. Stop dreaming about it because you'll never get it, and stop watching it because you're not gonna steal it from me. You're not. You're really not. You're really, really not. So just look at the logo and see that that's something that you'll never have. Alright. Huh? You said something? On the contrary. Okay. Okay, so the first comment says, "You are an ugly boy." They didn't even spell ugly right. They said that I am an ugly boy. Do you guys see it? Hold on, I got a notification. One second, let me find my glasses. Alright. Can you guys see it? I think you can. It says, "You are an ugly boy." Can you guys see it on my MacBook Pro? Of course you can see it. Because this right here is it's an expensive device. Alright. Let's open up. That comment is from Greasy Butt. You are an ugly boy. Now I've seen Greasy Butt in my comments before. He's so rude. Greasy Butt, find a life and stop making people happy. You're gonna want to stop making people happy. Okay? You're going to want to stop. Immediately. The next comment that we're going to talk about is, stop talking, Spider-Man. Ruff. Sorry, these glasses. All right, I can see now. All right. All right. The second comment, you guys, is, your mouth smells like how a... Sorry, we're going to read that over. The next comment is from 16 Butter Biscuits. 16 Buttered Biscuits. Which reads, your mouth smells like how your face looks. A frog. Do I look like a frog to you? I beg that your pardon, because I do not look like a frog. I don't. Alright, now look at this. See it on my MacBook Pro? Can you read that? Your mouth smells like how your face looks. A frog. I hope that you guys can see it on my MacBook Pro. And that comment, if you can't see it, then you need to go put on glasses, because I'm using a MacBook Pro. Everyone should be able to see. And this comment is from 16 Butter Biscuits. Let me address you all. I'm only going to read those 2 comments. Stop being mean to others. This world needs a variety of people. Let people be. Because I know that you have some dirt under your name. I know that you're not innocent, and I know that you're not a saint. What if people were to pull out your files? What if people were to expose you? What if people were to do you dirty and call you ugly and call you fat and call you smelly? Bullying other people is wrong. Tell them, Mr. Spider-Man. Yes, that's very deep. Mr. Spider-Man here knows about this kind of stuff. I'm gonna leave you with this. Do not bully others. Don't you ever bully... what's that? Oh, I should have learned my lesson from that last time. Okay. Yeah. Don't you ever bully others. Everybody's perfect. Everybody's unique. And if it weren't for different varieties of people roaming the earth, guess what? The earth wouldn't function properly. Rewind that and listen to that again. I'm not going to repeat myself. But we're going to smile for the camera before we leave.